Hi buddy, welcome back to Answers Q. In this video, we'll see some free courses that are offered by Learn1 e-learning platform. Before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. And just a small update regarding Coursera here. So I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from top companies and universities like Duke University, Google, Amazon, IBM, Microsoft, and a lot more companies and universities around the world are offering online courses via Coursera platform. So if you want to take those courses, you can opt for Coursera Plus subscription, because if you buy individual course, you have to pay a lot more. But with Coursera Plus subscription, with a certain amount of price, you'll get unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses, and you'll also get access to job ready certificate programs and guided projects. So if you're interested in this, just check out the link in description. Now let's move on and see the Learn1 free courses. So the first one is AutoCAD Mechanical. So here you have around 13 hours video content where you can learn about the AutoCAD Mechanical toolset. You learn how those design and drafting tools are used, and all the courses which we'll be seeing in this video are free of cost. You do not have to pay for anything, and you'll get lifetime access to all the courses once you enroll in it. And if you want to know exactly what you learn in this AutoCAD Mechanical course, you can simply scroll down and see the course content. They have given the detailed course curriculum, so you can just go through this before enrolling in the course, if you want to know what you'll be learning in the course. So this is the first one in the list, AutoCAD Mechanical. Next one is Industrial Automation course with SCADA. So if you want to learn about SCADA, you can just make use of this course. You have around 11 hours video content. There are some practical exercises as well. So you have 5 exercises which will give you the practical learning experience. Next one is User Experience Design course. So this is one of the hot field now, UX design. So if you want to learn about it, you can just make use of this course. This is a very short course, considering the amount of content that you need to learn to become a UX designer. 2 hours is a very short content. This is a short course. I hope you can learn the fundamentals of UX design with this course. So if you are interested in this, just check out this. Next one is Graphic Designing with CorelDRAW. So again, here you have 13 hours video content on 42 articles and 6 exercises. If you want to learn about CorelDRAW, you can just make use of this course. You can consider this as a simple CorelDRAW tutorial course. Let's move on to the next one now, which is software testing course. So you have 7 hours video content for this course, where you can learn about the fundamentals of testing, software testing, life cycle, development models, or different forms of testing, levels of testing, and the different methods, types, and you'll learn everything about software testing in this course. Next one is Soft Skills course. So anyone can take this course. You have 8 hours video content. If you are looking to improve your soft skills, doesn't matter if you're a student or a working professional, you can just take this course and improve your soft skills. And in this course, you have 8 hours video content where you can learn about communication, how to manage interviews, office etiquette, managing feedback, negotiation, teamwork, time management, creative thinking, leadership, stress management, problem solving. So you can learn a lot of things, and you can just simply develop your soft skills. Let's move on to the next one, which is Python programming course. So here you have 6 hours video content through which you can learn all the basics of Python. Next one is AngularJS course. Again, for this course also you have 6 hours video content. And the next one is R programming course. So if you want to learn R programming, you can just make use of this short course. You have around 4 hours video content. And the next one is Ruby programming course. So for this one, you have 6 hours video content. So now let's see how you can enroll in these courses. All these courses are currently available for free of cost. You can just choose any course out of this list. For example, if you want to take this soft skills course, once you're on the program page, simply click on join for free at the right top. And here you need an account first. So you can simply sign up with your Google account, or else you can use your Facebook account, or you can simply give your details manually and click on create account to create and log into your Learn1 account. And once you are logged in, you can simply click on this enroll for free button and enroll in the course. And once you are enrolled, you can just start learning for free of cost. And once you complete the course, you can also upgrade this free course to a Skill India NSDC certified course. In case if you want to get this certificate, you have to pay a certain amount. So if you want that, you can just do it. But for learning, you do not have to pay for anything. This course is 100% free for learning. So I hope you'll find these courses very useful. If you want to get more updates about online courses, do subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.